Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Suno AI V4 music generator updates. First of all, go ahead to the official website. If you downloaded the app, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version via your App Store or Google Play. Right? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and click the plus button or click the music icon right here at the bottom, the red one right here, the highlighted. Okay? And now make sure that you use the V4, right? The V4 is the newest version of Suno, right? With best vocal quality and song structures, max 4 minutes, right? And you're gonna see right here V2, V3, V3.5, and more. And as we said before, the new features now you can go and turn on the custom right here at the top and write your own lyrics, right? You can brainstorm ideas and write down your own songs, and you can upload an audio right here and agree to the terms, so you start creating a music or a song using AI. And here the instrumental option, which gives you the liberty if you want to make your song with or without lyrics, right? And here the song description, of course, you can write down a few future looks bright with the right people, right? This is an example, right? And if you want ideas, you can just write down your own ideas and hit create right here, and basically now they're gonna create songs, so we can basically explore how it played out, basically, right? And of course, V4 introduces genre-specific presence like EDM, lo-fi, cinematic. Select the preset that matches your project for optimized results, right? You can hear the music right here if I click this one. And as you can see, you can play this one at the bottom as well, and you can hear the music, right? You can see pop, electrifying, bright. If you want different genre, you can just go ahead and click the music icon, and again you can use your own mood, activity, reading, vacation, scrapbook, and or pet, right? And if you select the mood, you're going to be able to select a different or generate a different genre, right? And basically now you can export with ease after creating the music. Export your own music right here by clicking the three dots next to the music. You can share the link, right? And or download it as an audio or video. Now you're gonna have to wait for a few moments because I just generated that music. So you can show it to the public, right? If you want to share that music with other people, right? Or download it as a video or a audio. Okay, ready to create your next hit? Let me know if you need more details on any features. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.